Today we're going to talk about the Maverick HD and how it fits into the commercial world of zero-turn mowers. For starters, it's kind of the entry-level point in commercial mowers. You want to have a mower that's going to be durable, that you can count on day in and day out for as many acres as you want to mow without breaking the bank. So that's why we get to the Maverick HD. So we can start right with the frame. It's a 7-gauge steel frame, and you can have guys that are a lot bigger than me climbing on and off of this all day long. This is the unit as it sits here with a 60-inch deck. It's actually the most popular deck size with the Maverick HD, and also for commercial guys that are just trying to establish themselves. It's a mower at a price point that's not going to break the bank, and yet it's going to have all the features that are going to make this mower work for you. So we'll just kind of do a little tour around the mower here, and I'll point these things out to you. So as I mentioned, 7-gauge steel, it's a 60-inch deck. The floor plate panel comes up very easy, gives you full access to the pulleys. As you look in here at the pulleys and the spindles, they're heavy-duty spindles, they're sealed, they're going to last a long time. That gives you the front part of the access. When I pull the seat up, you've got access to the pulleys from the back. You can see you've got your battery here. We'll get to the transmissions in a minute, but you can see the reservoirs, individual reservoir for each side. Pull this back. So what makes this thing go? Well, it's a 23.5 horse Kawasaki engine. Kawasaki preferred engine really by the commercial world, and it's definitely gives you the power to work with the transmissions to get the job done fast. So when it comes to the transmissions, we say this is truly a commercial mower. The transmissions are made by Hydro Gear. They're a ZT3400 series. So I'm going to go back to lifting the seat up. You can see that there's an individual reservoir for transmission fluid on each side. So this is going to give you more transmission fluid, so that transmission fluid's not going to heat up. It's going to give you and that's where the durability is going to come in with. Serviceable transmission, you can change the filters, replace the transmission fluid, and just like with any engine, it likes to have its fluids replaced and clean. 13-gallon gas tank. So if you look here, you've got 6.5-gallon gas tanks on each side, one on the right, one on the left. So 13 gallons is going to keep you from having to go back to the trailer and refilling your mower with gas during the course of your mowing day. You've got a control panel here on the right side. Gives you easy access. You've got the PTO, the yellow switch here, the throttle, and the key start, and your hour meter as well right over here on this side. You've got these bigger tires. Once you get into the Maverick HD, it's going to help with ride quality. And also, if you're doing the three-point turn right, you're not going to be tearing your customers' yards up as well. So I'm able to climb up on this mower, even at my advanced age, without a grab bar. And you'll see it has a dial-by-weight suspension seat. And when you take this dial-by-weight suspension seat and add that to a full suspension front and back, you're going to give your operator about the best ride quality that they're going to see out there. With the mower itself, when it comes to setting your deck height, you've got a foot pedal here that you're going to push forward, and then you've got a knob right here, easily accessible to change the deck height to get the mowing cut exactly where you want it. With these mowers, they do have a parking brake over here on the left, and you got to have the parking brake set for the engine to start up. You've got a choke, makes it easy to operate the choke. You can choke with your left hand and turn the key with the right. You don't have to try to twist over and do them both on the right side of the mower. So when you look at this whole mower with all the different features, you're looking at a price point of this mower out the door at around $9,500. So the pricing on these mowers is going to be just the right fit for somebody starting out or even adding to their fleet of commercial mowers. You're going to see some variation in price based on the deck size. You can get this in as small as a 42-inch deck, 48, 54, and 60-inch decks with the Maverick HD. And then there's engine choices that kind of are options based on the size of the Maverick HD, but there's the Kawasaki 23.5 horse, and there's also Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 26 horse engine. As you look at this, please come on in and talk to us at Howe Equipment. We can talk about cash prices. We've got finance options for you and a range of accessories that including bagger systems, advanced chute systems to help block the chute and keep the grass from spraying into your customers' planting beds, among many other options. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you at Howe Equipment. Until the next one, we'll see you.